Hello, here we are at Prizerebel. Right now we're at TAP surveys. Right now there's a few surveys, and these are the short surveys. Next we'll go to your surveys. There's a lot of surveys there. Next we'll go to Upworld. More surveys there. There's surveys, offer walls, daily points, video wall, engage me videos, task, rewards, PayPal, Amazon, Xbox, eBay, Burger King, Walmart, and the list goes on. And $5 is 500 points. That's right. 500 points is $5. Right here, we have the daily challenge. When you hit your daily challenge, you get 13 extra points for the day. Right here. It says reach 143 points. Well, thanks for watching. And my referral code will be on the bottom of the video. Thank you.